Look at that. Where, just look there. Disgusting. Look at that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reika for those of you who are new, and in today's video I am going to be washing my wedding dress at home. Well, technically I'm going to be washing it at my local laundromat, but for those of you who don't already know, I am a married woman. I will be celebrating 3 years this December, and basically I never did really get around to cleaning my wedding dress, so it's been sitting in my closet for going on 3 years now, with all the dirt, grass stain, food stains. You imagine it, it's on my dress, and it's just been sitting in my closet all this time. Cleaning a wedding dress, believe it or not, it is not cheap. It wasn't something that I had budgeted for while I was planning my wedding. Having the dress cleaned was one of the last things on my agenda, and I could think of 1,000,001 things I could do with, you know, the money that it costs to have the dress cleaned. So it was just something I put off, you know, consistently until now. So if you guys haven't already seen my wedding video, I will link it somewhere in this one, maybe down below, but you will see that I did have an outdoor wedding, so there's a lot of mud and grass stains, food stains, things like that on the wedding dress, and I just feel like taking it to the cleaners would be in vain. I've brought other things to a dry cleaner to have it cleaned, and it comes back and it still has a stain on it. So that's also one of the reasons why I kind of delayed getting it clean. So I basically decided to take matters into my own hands. I did some research online, and by research I mean I watched 1.5 YouTube videos. Don't judge me, guys. But yeah, basically watched a few videos online, and I saw, you know, what they did to clean the dress, the products that they use, and it looked like something that I could do. So that's what I'm going to be doing for you in this video. And as of right now, the dress is already clean, so there is really no turning back at this point. So if you have some time and you want to see if it was a complete success or an epic failure, then you will have to stick around. And one more thing before we jump into the video, if you could just hit pause for a second. You never have to hit pause, but if you could just hit that subscribe button that's sitting somewhere down here. I know a lot of you guys are watching my videos and you are not subscribed, so I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, and once you do that, we can jump into the video. My dress. So yeah, this is basically what I'm working with here. It's not as white as it used to be. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Fun, fun, fun. So this is what I'm attempting to clean today, and I am not very confident that I'm going to get all of this, you know, mud and stains and everything out, because everything has been marinating in here for like 2 going on 3 years. But I'm going to try my best. I'm going to try my best to see what I can do with this, because I've been getting so much flack, so much heat for not taking care of this dress. So I'm going to try my best, and we'll see how this goes. But yeah, this is my baby. Look, all in this area here, you have a lot of have a lot of, I don't know if this is mud or just like fingerprints and like makeup and sweat and all of that stuff, but it's like, it's bad. It's really bad. It's really bad. So yeah, that's the task for today. I'm gonna wash her. Oh my gosh, I found a tear here. Fun fact, found a tear here. Need to know like any twigs or anything like that. It's like a good place to start. Alright, so today's video is sponsored by Oxiclean. Just a joke. But for this little activity or this little project, I am going to be using the Oxiclean line. Based on what I've seen online on YouTube, everybody, this is the brand that they use when they're cleaning the dress, and so far results seem to be pretty decent, so decided to play it safe and go with the OxyClean. I got this product to do a bit of a spot clean first, so I want to spray those extra dirty areas that I showed you earlier. Spray it with this first before I put it in the washer, and basically I said tackles the toughest dried in stains, and my stains are dried. OxyClean, I picked up two options here. I have the White Revive OxyClean, and then I have the Versatile Stain Remover. My dress is not exactly white, it's more ivory, so I'm not sure if I am going to really put this. I'm not sure if this is the one I should use. I feel like I should probably just go with the regular OxyClean, or I might do a mix of both. I'm not really sure what to do here. It says it's safe on colors, so I feel like I might just mix the two of them. Mainly this one with a splash of this one, and hopefully this should get it out. Guys, like, can you imagine if I get the stains out of this dress? I'm just gonna open up a wedding dress cleaning business. I'm just saying. So let's see how this turns out. See you guys in a bit. Alright, so it's a few days later from that last clip that you watched. Actually, it's like a whole week later, don't judge me. And I'm sure you guys are super curious to see how the dress turned out. So yeah, so going into this, my expectations were very low. As I mentioned, the dress has been sitting dirty for 2 plus going on 3 years, so I really wasn't expecting it to be, you know, like new or nowhere near. I have to say, after everything that I did with it at the laundromat, I am pretty surprised at the results. This was the dirtiest part of the dress, as you guys saw at the beginning of the video. So the fact that I got it back to even this is, I'm really surprised at that. But as I say, I feel like I can replace this if needs be, so I'm not too worried about this section of the dress. And I did rip it, and it did rip on me on my wedding day, so it's something that, you know, was kind of damaged somewhat to begin with. So I definitely feel like if I had soaked this dress overnight, or even at least an hour before taking it to the laundromat, I would have done a much better job of removing, you know, the mud stains that you guys are seeing right here. But overall, I have to say, for my first time round and just a quick spur of the moment kind of thing, I didn't do too bad. I didn't do too bad. What do you guys think? Yeah. The parts that I was really concerned about, you know, the bodice and the lace, I feel like I got it back to maybe 85%. We have some discoloration on the lace itself, which there's not much I could really do about this unless, you know, I want to bleach the dress. Yes, I hope this was informative for anybody out there that's contemplating washing their dress. I feel like you can definitely do it at home. I mean, I'm happy I got it cleaned, and I'm just wondering if it still fits now. That's the next question, but we'll save that for another video. What do you guys think? Anyways, that's going to be pretty much it from me with this video. Give me a quick thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and of course, if it's your first time here and you made it to the end and you are not subscribed, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And on that note, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.